Isn't it frustrating when you're fumbling for cash or your physical card at the checkout, especially when your hands are full or you're in a hurry? In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, and when it comes to payments, contactless options reign supreme. Now, if you're a Monzo user here in Nigeria, you've got a powerful tool right in your pocket, or rather, potentially on your wrist or even embedded in your other devices, that can make these everyday transactions a breeze. But maybe you're new to Monzo, or perhaps you've got your account set up but haven't quite dived into the world of contactless payments. You might be wondering, how exactly do I use Monzo for contactless payments? What devices can I use? Is it secure? And are there any tips and tricks to make the process even smoother? Well, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to break down everything you need to know about making contactless payments with your Monzo account. We'll walk you through the setup process, explore the various ways you can tap and pay, discuss the security features that keep your money safe, and share some handy tips to enhance your contactless experience. First things first, let's establish what contactless payment actually is. Simply put, it's a way to pay for goods and services without physically inserting your card into a card reader or entering your PIN for smaller amounts. Instead, you simply hold your contactless-enabled card or device near the reader, and the transaction is processed wirelessly using near-field communication (NFC) technology. Now, how does Monzo fit into this picture? As a modern, digitally focused bank, Monzo has embraced contactless payments wholeheartedly. Your physical Monzo debit card comes equipped with contactless functionality right out of the box. Look for the familiar wave-like symbol on your card, that's your visual confirmation. But the beauty of Monzo extends beyond just the physical card. You can also integrate your Monzo account with various digital wallets on your smartphone or other wearable devices, further expanding your contactless payment options. This means you could potentially pay with your phone, your smartwatch, or even other compatible gadgets. So, let's dive into the specifics. How do you actually make a contactless payment with your physical Monzo card? It's incredibly straightforward. Check for the contactless symbol. When you're at a checkout, look for the contactless payment symbol on the card reader. It usually resembles a sideways Wi-Fi icon. Present your card. Once the cashier has processed your items and told you the total amount, simply hold your Monzo card within a few centimeters, typically an inch or two, of the contactless symbol on the reader. Wait for confirmation. Keep your card still for a second or two. You should see a visual confirmation on the card reader, often a green light or a tick mark, and you might hear a beep. This indicates that the payment has been successful. Transaction complete, that's it. For lower value transactions, you usually won't need to enter your PIN. For higher amounts, you might be prompted to enter your PIN on the card reader as an extra security measure. This limit is in place to protect you in case your card is lost or stolen. Now, let's talk about using your smartphone or other devices for contactless payments with Monzo. This typically involves setting up a digital wallet. Popular options include Google Pay for Android devices and Apple Pay for iPhones and Apple Watches. Here's a general overview of how to set up Monzo for contactless payments on your smartphone. For Google Pay, Android. Download the Google Pay app. If you don't already have it, download the Google Pay app from the Google Play Store. Open the app and add a payment method, launch the Google Pay app and follow the on-screen instructions to add a payment method. Tap Add a Card. Enter your Monzo card details. You'll be prompted to enter your Monzo card number, expiry date, and CVV. You might also be asked for your billing address. Verification. Monzo will likely need to verify your card. This might involve receiving a one-time code via SMS or through the Monzo app. Follow the instructions provided in the Google Pay app and the Monzo app to complete the verification process. Set as default. Optional, you can set your Monzo card as your default payment method in Google Pay for faster transactions. For Apple Pay, iPhone and Apple Watch. Open the Wallet app. On your iPhone, open the pre-installed Wallet app. Tap the plus button. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Follow on-screen instructions. Select debit or credit card and follow the prompts. You can either manually enter your Monzo card details or scan your card using your iPhone's camera. Verification. Similar to Google Pay, Monzo will need to verify your card. Follow the instructions provided in the Wallet app and the Monzo app to complete the verification. Adding to Apple Watch. To use Monzo with Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, you will typically manage this through the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. In the Watch app, navigate to the Wallet and Apple Pay section and follow the steps to add your Monzo card. Once your Monzo card is set up in your digital wallet, making contactless payments with your phone or smartwatch is just as easy as using your physical card. Using your smartphone. Wake your device. Depending on your phone's settings, you might need to wake it up or unlock it. Hold near the reader. Hold the back of your phone near the contactless payment symbol on the card reader. Authentication. If required for certain transactions, you might need to authenticate using your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. Follow the on-screen prompts. Confirmation. You should see a confirmation on your phone screen and the card reader. Using your smartwatch. Wake your watch. Wake up your smartwatch. Present to reader. Hold the watch face near the contactless payment symbol on the reader. Authentication. If required, you might need to enter your watch's passcode if you haven't used it recently. Confirmation. You should feel a tap or see a confirmation on your watch screen. Now, a crucial aspect of any payment method is security. You can rest assured that Monzo contactless payments are designed with several layers of security in mind. Contactless limits. There are typically limits on the amount you can spend in a single contactless transaction without entering your PIN. This helps to minimize potential losses if your card or device is lost or stolen. While these limits can vary, they provide a good level of protection. Transaction monitoring. Monzo's intelligent systems continuously monitor transactions for any unusual activity. If something seems out of the ordinary, they might flag the transaction or contact you to verify it. Encryption. When you use a digital wallet, your actual card details are not stored on your device or shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique, encrypted token is used for each transaction, adding an extra layer of security. Device security. Features like fingerprint scanning, facial recognition, and passcodes on your smartphone and smartwatch add another barrier of defense against unauthorized use. Instant notifications. With Monzo, you receive instant notifications on your phone every time you make a transaction, allowing you to quickly identify and report any unauthorized activity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.